Alright, today we're unboxing this Inside Out 2 biggest slime bag. Let's see. Oh, wow. 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 What a piece one. Alright, wow. That's it. What is it? What's a poppet? It's really cute. Next. Alright. I want to see it. Oh, I can't get this open. Nothing! Let's see what is in this. Oh my. It's totally funny. I love it. Man, this is so fun. Next up, oh my. I was gonna say, oh my.
What do you think's in there?
Oh my.
What do you think's in there?
Oh, gosh, I can't. Oh. It's anxiety.
Anxiety? Ah.
Next. Oh, it's what is it? Oh, what is this?
I think it's a poster.
No, I just want to show you.
It's a puzzle.
It's a puzzle. Oh, who is it?
I saw blue, so I'm guessing sadness.
Yes. Oh, but she's lying down. Oh my. Next. Okay, good.
You're not over here, bud.
Alright, last
Joy.
one to go. Let's see what it is. Let's see. Oh.
Another ball. That squishy ball?
Yeah. I can't get this open, Dad. I feel like I'm gonna cut it. So I just want to cut it. And, oh, wow! It's a squishy!
Hold, the camera's over here. Right here. Where my hands are. No, don't give it to me. You can squeeze it right here.
But it gives me glitter.
Oh, there's glitter on it? I know how you feel about glitter.
I gotta wash my hands.
I don't see any glitter. You see any glitter? I don't see any glitter.
Oh.
You got some of there? Okay.
Good night. I love you.